Good morning, all of you. I am going to bring a good news for all the citizens in the universe. It is nothing but central bank digital currency. This has happened to overcome the private currency influence in the money market. Like bitcoins and other currencies is taking care of the internet usage needs. Now we will discuss what is a currency. We must understand first. As societies develop from the hunters and gather the material needs increased to build a house, wear a clothes, make weapons and implements etc. Since these needs could not be produced individually, people had to buy from one another. That may be or grains, or leather weapons, or animals. It was there in the barter system in olden days. In the modern era, it has come to the currency. Money has taken the form of either commodities or in terms of debt instruments. When the money does not have intrinsic value, it must represent a title commodities that have intrinsic value, title to other debt instruments. Paper currencies such as a representative of the commodities or services. Commodities exchange or service commodities exchange. It was taking place in the olden days. Money is usually issued by the sovereign private issuance of money. It means money is issued by a government, a authoritative government. It is give a guarantee or promise to pay the value for that money. Historically, from commodities barter to coins, coins to notes, it has developed in the scenario. In this process, central banks all over the world have framed a guidelines to replace the existing legal currency and under influence the private currency. A CBDC is the central bank digital currency which will flow in two ways: direct settlement or through wallet system. What is the need for a CBDC? We must know. While interest in CBDC is a near universal now, very few countries have reached even the pilot stage of launching CBDC. A 2021 BA survey of central bank found 86% were preferred physical currency only, that too less than 500 rupee notes or less than 500 rupee exchanges. It means people are still habit of spending the currency notes. Why this sudden interest? The adoption of CBDC has been justified for the following reasons. Central bank faced with the dwindling usage of paper currency seek to popularize a more acceptable electronic form of currency. Jurisdiction which significant physical cash is difficult to maintain. The increasing use of private virtual currency is the major attributed factor to come to the central bank digital currency. There is a advantage over the digital payments. Still, people are preferring notes. That is why CBDC is coming to implement to reduce the settlement risk, or it would be potentially enable more interbank settlements or international bank settlements with easy manner, without a burden, without any borrowings. That is why in worldwide all sovereign governments are preparing central bank digital currency. Moreover, it is conceivable for Indian importer to pay its American exporter on real-time basis in digital dollars without the need of an intermediary currency. This is the major advantage to save the foreign currency in international settlements. Now, majority of our inward remittance is going to pay international dollar settlements. Now, in digital currency, it will be settled easily with no time. First of all, we should have a question: do we need CBDC in India? A pilot survey conducted by BIS has given a hint. People are preferring currency less than 500 only, because many people are illiterate, many people may not be knowing smart cell operating. That is the major reason. Moreover, though it reduction the transaction demand for the interbank deposit, still people are preferring currency only. In addition, by providing a genuine risk-free alternative, bank deposit, they could cause shift away the bank deposit, which in turn might reduce the need of government guarantee on deposits. CBDC may bring about a change in the behavior of holding public, and what the nature of change cannot be gauged prior to, given that no central bank has launched CBDC. If there is a overwhelming demand for CBDC, CBDCs are urgently will be implemented. Central banks across the globe are engaged in exploring the CBDC, and few countries have it is required a legal framework. Although CBDC are conceptually no different from banknotes, introduction of CBDC would be required an enabling legal framework. Since the current legal provisions are made to keep in mind in the currency paper, legal framework is to be modified according to the digital currency. To overcome to under-influence the private currency, that is cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, stable coins, all central banks have come to conclusion to implement the central bank digital currency. This transaction process could be account to account or token based. Account to account involving the transfer of claim on account to and later token between wallets. Transaction account based CBDC would be resemble today's transactions. A paper would go log into the account at the central bank. A payer would go log into the account of central bank and give the instruction to pay to the someone other bank. Central bank would ensure the settlement by updating the master ledger. You can see the picture where transaction process two types. One is paper ledger, master ledger, another is wallet. Paper ledger may be done by the banks authorized by the central bank. Wallet may be banks or agents can be done. Transaction in token based CBDC would be involve more steps than exchanging cash, would offer convenience not having to meet in person. Unlike cash, the prime example of traditional token based money, CBDC tokens would be too complex. Here, verification of the tokens and settlement could be centralized or decentralized depending upon the technology used. Decentralized settlement is possible via use of distributed ledger technology. That is DLT, distributed ledger technology. Committee on Virtual Currencies. The committee to study the issues related to virtual currencies constituted 2nd November 2017 under chairmanship of Sri Subhash Chandra Garg, Secretary, Department of Economic Affairs, Minister of Finance, and comprising Sri other two dignitaries. Distributed ledger system or blockchain technology allows the organization of any chain of records or transaction without the need of intermediates. Government will explore the possibility of blockchain technology proactively for issuing the digital currency. Distributed ledger technologies allow the recording, sharing, transfer data value without need for other central record keeping in case of traditional ledger. Committee inter alia recommends that Department of Economic Affairs take necessary measures to facilitate use of DLT in the entire financial period after identifying its users and regulators RBI, SEBI, IRDA, PFRDA. The committee also recommends that use of DLT to reduce the compliance cost for KYC requirements under further that MEIT, Minister of Electronic Information Technology, and GS10 play a major technology supportive role exploring the building the uses of DLT. Countries where CBDC implemented. The digital race towards the best CBDC already started. The Bahamas was the first country in the world release one. The sand dollar will be the Bahamas sovereign digital currency and it will be pegged to the US dollar 1 to 1. Countries where CBDC implemented: Angola, Antigua, Barbuda, Commonwealth of Dominica, Grenada, Montserrat, Saint Christopher, Saint Lucia, Saint Vincent and Grenadines. The major change and challenge will be China digital currency. 32% of the world trade dominated by the China digital currency. China's digital yuan will reshape the global economy over the next decade. It is the first major nation start to testing the CBDC, which is key because a faster the digital yuan is up running, the more market share it can take from the US and dollar worldwide. Over the past 50 years, US has influenced the countries all around the world and their powers has stemmed from their control of money. CBDC will change that. Sometime is the decade every country will be able to trade and do deals without US dollars. A currency gets its strength from demand in the market, and China has built the largest trading network in the world. So when their digital yuan is fully up and running, countries all over the world will be using yuan to trade, which will in turn increase China influence. Total money market cause and effect of the digital currency. Total money with public would be controlled by the central bank through online. The biggest change our currency system is that CBDC will programmable. There will not be any saving deposits in the bank in the longer run. There will not be any ATMs in the market. There will be a negative interest in the bank system. Deposits like Sweden, Switzerland, Spain, Denmark and Japan, there is a reverse interest. We have to pay interest to keep the money in the bank. Conclusion: introduction of CBDC as a potential provide significant benefits such as reduced dependence on cash, higher scenarios due to lower transaction costs, reduce the settlement risk. Introduction of CBDC would possibly lead to a more robust, efficient, trusted, regulated. Thank you for all. Thank you very much.